Hello everyone, I am Atul Morbale and today date is 29 December 2021 and now we will discuss about the collection framework in Java. So first we discuss why we need to use the collection framework in Java. We know the array concept. In array there are we stores only the homogeneous data types and array is a fixed in size. That is the true drawback of array. To solve this issue, that is drawback, Java provides the one way, that is collection. Collection is a bunch of object. It is based on its architectures, that is a collection framework. In collection framework, there we can perform so many operations such as searching, sorting, manipulating, add, delete, etc. And also in collection framework provides so many classes such as array list, list, linked hash set class. That are the classes provided by collection framework. So now we discuss the what is framework in Java. So framework is a ready-made function, that is it is already it is already defined by JVM. It is optional and it provides so many classes and interface. Now we discuss about the hierarchy of collection framework. In collection framework there are so many classes and we can perform so many operations. In the hierarchy of collection framework, there are the iterable class. Iterable interface is the root of all collection framework. After iterable, there are three implementation, that is a list, queue and set. In list there are so many classes such as array list and linked list. In queue there are two queues, that is queue and dq. And in set there are three types of set, that is hash set, linked hash set and hash code. That is the uh, hierarchy of collection framework. Now we discuss the some methods provided by collection framework, such as now we discuss one by one. Add method. Add method is used to add the element in collection framework. ToString method. ToString method is used to convert the collection framework into string. To array method. To array method is used to convert the collection list to array. Index of method. Index of method is used to return the first index of particular element. Last index of method. Last index of method is used to return the last index of particular element. Size method. Size method is used to return the size of collection list. Set method. Set method is used to change the particular element from the collection list. And get method. Get method is used to return the particular element from this input index. Now contain method. Contain method is used to data present in collection list or not. It provides only two values, that is it returns boolean values, that is true or false. If the data contain in uh, collection list, then it returns true value, and if the data not contain in collection list, then it return false. So that is the methods provided by collection framework. Now we discuss the some parts of hierarchy of collection framework. First is iterable interface. Iterable interface is a root of all collection frameworks, and it provides collections, list, set, and queue. That is it. It is a root of all collection framework. It contain so many classes and interface. After that, we discuss about the collection interface. So collection interface is a implementation of set, list, and queue. Uh, it is also part of collection framework. Now we discuss the list. List is a implementation of collection framework. In list there provides so many classes such as array list, linked list, etc. Now the say queue. Queue is a implementation of a collection framework. In queue there are two classes, that is queue and dqueue. Now we discuss the set. Set is a extends to inherits to uh, collection framework. In set there are so many methods, that is hatch set, linked hatch set, etc. So collection framework provides in list there are a vector. So vector is a dynamic array. It is works as same like an array, but it is synchronized. And now we discuss the stack. Stack is a last stack provides the uh, last in first out. That is we when we contain the elements in queue, and we wants to remove the element, it returns the last elements. And then we discuss the queue. Queue is the first in first out. The So that is all about the collection framework in Java. So thank you for this video.